Good day. This video will show you how to install Blender, GIMP, and Inkscape on your Windows 10 machine. So to do that, we're going to have to go to a site called Ninite. Reminder, this is going to be on a Windows 10 machine. So ninite.com. And then look for the imaging area, which might be in a different location on your browser screen because of the resolution differences. So click Blender, GIMP, and Inkscape. And then go ahead and click Get Your Ninite. In the bottom left-hand corner, a little installer will show up. Just go ahead and click on it. Your machine is going to ask if you really want to install these programs. I would recommend click yes if you want to finish this. You can show the details of what's happening. Right now the first one they're downloading is Blender and the others are waiting to download. So I'm going to pause the video for a moment and let these download and pick it up from there. So when they're all finished installing, you'll have OK statuses for all three. Blender, GIMP, and Inkscape install well together. I do have to warn you that if you use this site to install other programs, it may fail on one or two of them. So be careful on how you mix the programs together. So when done here, just click close and close this off. And on your desktop, you should see Blender, GIMP, and Inkscape. If they don't show up there, they're always going to show up in your start menu on your Windows 10 machine. Just want to warn you that Inkscape takes quite a bit of time to load, so give it a couple minutes before double clicking on the icon again to start the program. I hope that helps you with your installation of these programs, and see you around. Take it easy.